Hi everyone, Kyle at Frontier Chrysler. I wanted to pop on here and give everybody an update of what's been going on at the dealership lately. Our incentives have stayed fairly steady the last little while, so we have 10% off of the new body style 1500s. Got 20% off of our Ram 1500 Classics, so you don't want to miss out on those. They are going away regularly. Such a great deal. And once they're gone, they're gone. They don't make those anymore. We have the no charge diesel discount on our HD Cummins trucks, 2500, 3500s. And then we've been getting a lot of great trade-ins lately. So if you're looking for something used, looking for a great deal on maybe an SUV or a truck, we have so many options to choose from, and there's definitely going to be a deal to be had for you. So come down, see me, and let's see if we can get you into a new vehicle. We will see you soon.